So here we go, the big strip down of GP2. So now we can see a little bit of the front. And so a little walk around. So this ain't going to be a quick fix. As the car, I believe, has not been run since 2008. So it won't be a case of just firing it up and taking it for a spin somewhere. Far from it. So there's going to be a lot of work on this car. But anyway, we're making a start on it now. So there we go. GP2 in all its glory. So this is the business end, of course. 1.5 litre, as it was to race in the Grand Prix. Actually took part in the first Grand Prix at Silverstone, 1950. Unfortunately, it didn't last long due to mechanical failures, but there we go. Okay, well, here we are at a few more hours past, and there's a stripped down ERA GP2. Looks strange now, but I can see the bare bones of it. So, a lot of work ahead, but I'm sure it'll all be worth it in the end. Fantastic car.